Today, I want to talk to you about the NetSpend Better Credit Visa Card, a secured card that offers a unique way to build credit without the usual hassle of credit checks or hidden fees. If you've been struggling to establish or improve your credit, or if the whole idea of traditional credit cards feels like too much of a risk, then this might be the solution you've been looking for. Stick around to hear how it works and why it could be a game changer for your financial future. The NetSpend Better Credit Visa Card is perfect for anyone who wants to build their credit but doesn't want to deal with the usual credit card hurdles. First off, there's no credit check when you apply, so you don't have to worry about your credit score holding you back. It's a secured card, meaning the money you deposit into your secured deposit account sets your credit limit. If you put in $500, that's your limit. But here's the cool part. You can increase that limit anytime by adding more funds to your account, which gives you flexibility without the need for additional approvals. And even though it's a secured card, it doesn't come with the typical interest charges, which means you don't have to stress about paying off high interest balances. What really sets this card apart is that your money isn't locked up. If you need access to the funds you've deposited, you can easily transfer them back to your deposit account minus any outstanding balances. This is a huge advantage because most other secured cards require you to lock in your funds for the entire term. With NetSpend, you have the freedom to manage your money as you see fit, while still building your credit every month. Plus, every payment you make is reported to the major credit bureaus, which is exactly what you need to build a solid credit history. However, like anything, there are a few things to keep in mind. Since this is a secured card, the amount you can spend is directly tied to the funds you've deposited. That means if you want a higher credit limit, you'll need to add more money into your account. While this can be great for budgeting, it also means you need to plan ahead. Also, while NetSpend doesn't charge interest on the card, you'll still need to be diligent about making sure your balance is covered to avoid any issues with missed payments. Thankfully, they offer a safe mode option, which helps you avoid missed payments by automatically covering your monthly balance with funds from your secured deposit account. Overall, the NetSpend Better Credit Visa Card is a solid choice for anyone looking to build or rebuild their credit without the stress of traditional credit cards. It offers a lot of flexibility, transparency, and control over your credit limit and spending, all without hidden fees or interest rates. If you're new to credit or just need a simpler way to improve your credit score, this could be a great tool to add to your financial toolkit. So if you've been waiting for a way to take control of your credit and build a stronger financial future, the NetSpend Better Credit Visa Card might just be the perfect fit.